Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about the fixing while playing the game Battlefield 6. You got an error, the game or multiplayer is not installed, and click on the purchase button to play the game. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, let me make you one thing very clear, that is, it is a very well known issue to the developer of the game, and they are constantly working on to fix out this particular issue. In the meantime, I have a simple workaround that may work for you, but it is not sure that it will definitely work out. So all you need to do is to go ahead and click on the community tab. In the community, click on the option search and type in top screen server. Then hover over a server and simply press the X to view more info and then spam the join button. Once you spam the join button, it will instantly take you to the queue and you will be able to play the game. And if nothing works, the only thing you can do is to ask EA to refund the game. Refund the game and then use the Steam to play the game into your PC. Purchase the game onto the Steam and there are no such issues while playing the game onto the Steam. So that's all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.